This is going to be a little bonus video. See, look at this tire. Looks brand new, doesn't it? It's got nice tread. Let's check the date code to find out if it's really brand new. There's the date code right there. It's upside down, but it says 0816. That means this tire was made in the 8th week of 2016. Not new. I don't know why these shops are selling tires this old, but they need to stop. Whenever you get tires put on, ask the shop to let you see the tires and look at these date codes. Because after 5-6 years, the rubber starts to dry rot. Does not matter how thick the tread is, and it doesn't matter that the tire was never mounted. It's gonna dry rot because that's what rubber does. So check the date codes on your tires. It's important.